In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Kohls promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser, then go to google.com and in the search box type in Kohls promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes, and from here you can open up any of that websites and there you can check out the list of promo codes. As you can see here, it's quite big, and once you find one promo code that you want to use, you can hit there at show more to get some more information about that specific promo code, and then you can hit at that promo code name to see that promo code, and also from here you can tap at copy button to copy that promo code to clipboard, and after that you can tap at visit Kohls to move to the Kohls website and there make purchases. And there, when you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to use the promo code and double check if this promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here try to use another promo code, just copy it and try to use on that website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.